Continue with chapter number 12 from your economics book of grade 11, and the name of the chapter is the problem of poverty in India. And today we are going to start from efficiency of poverty alleviation programs, a critical assessment. Various official and non-official studies have been conducted to evaluate the overall performance of poverty eradication measures, particularly of poverty alleviation programs. So in the context of India, we are going to understand that what kind of poverty alleviation programs have been undertaken by the government. In the previous video we came across that, and what is the efficiency, that means how effective it is, and from which time we are going to see the ratio, how it have decreased the poverty in India. So India did not see a consistent and a significant drop in poverty up to 1970s because the greater emphasis on total output that on distribution. In the rural areas, the Green Revolution increased agricultural production, but the benefits of this did not reach the poor. Then we are going to say about some other programs like the land reforms were also not much effective to reduce the poverty. Okay, but after 1970, largely as a result of pro-poor policies, the poverty alleviation programs, there were much, or you can say many achievements and of this programs, like decrease in poverty after 1970s. We are finding all this, the decrease in the proportion of population BPL, that is below poverty line, and by 33% points from 55%. Before it was 55% in 1973, so it got decreased, and at present it is at 22%. And in 2011 and 12, increase in income. According to some studies, half of the increase in income of the poor in recent years is due to poverty alleviation programs. High wages. One of the important impacts of these programs is that it has led to increase in wages in the areas of their operations, and particularly in the backward regions in certain years, or you can say recent years. Okay, improvement and in nutritional level. Some of the important cases in such a limited success to the poverty alleviation programs, we are going to know that unsatisfactory administration, that means implementing staff is mostly inefficient. There are complex procedural requirements in the implementation of the programs. Monitoring machinery is lacking. That means there is nobody to monitor. Government is taking the policies, but it is not getting applied properly all over the country. Okay, unsatisfactory performance of supporting institutions. The performance of the supporting institutions providing facilities like credit, marketing, etc. is not satisfactory. Leakages. As a consequence, a large number of non-poor also take the advantage of the schemes. Leakages are highly due to corrupt and inefficient management. Neglect of remote areas. People, or you can say poor household to remote areas, have been neglected due to lack of accessibility and ignorance. As a deficient strategies. First, the strategies are not taken and note of the need for attack of the exploitative agencies in the rural areas. Second, the strategy of poverty alleviation also attempt to eradicate poverty by making the direct attack on poverty. Third, the strategy does not recognize the fact that the poor are not able to take the advantage of the benefits of the poverty alleviation programs because they lack skill, stamina, and initiative. And disjoint programs. Another problem of the poverty alleviation programs is that they are disjoint programs, both the policy level as well as at the implemented stage. Lack of people's participation. there is lack of effective participation and of the people in these programs. There is little consequence, uh, there is little consultation with communities in general, and target groups in particular is in decided and implements various schemes and programs, not linking with the overall strategy, not linking with the overall strategy of development. There is the need of integration these programs with the overall development strategy, so as to get maximum benefit from these programs, right? So India needs sustained efforts if it is to eliminate poverty in the country.